Assalamu alaikum children. Today is the last lesson of chapter Healthy Living. In this lesson, we'll review about types of teeth and we'll discuss how to take good care of our teeth. When we talk about food, we often forget the most important part of our body which encounters the food first. Yes, that's our mouth. Look at the picture of mouth. Do all teeth look the same? No, they are different. They have different shape and size because of the function they serve. Let's review all types of teeth one by one in upcoming slides. Incisors. Incisors are the teeth used for biting and cutting food. They are found at the front of your mouth, as you can see in the picture. They are total 8 in number, which are 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. Canines. Canines are the teeth used for ripping and tearing food. They are found at either side of your incisors, as you can see in the picture, the black circles highlighting your canines. They are total 4 in number, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Premolars. Premolars are used for holding and crushing food. They are found at the back of your mouth on either sides of your canines. Just like incisors, they are also 8 in number, 4 at the top, which is your upper jaw, and 4 at the bottom in your lower jaw. Molars. Molars are used for chewing and grinding up the food. They are found at the very back of your mouth. They are bigger and wider than premolars. They are also 8 in number, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. The black circles are actually highlighting your molars, as you can see in the picture. We need to take care of our teeth just like we look after the rest of our body. Do you know how to take care of your teeth and keep them healthy? Let's recall different ways of taking care of the teeth. In order to take care of your teeth, it is really important to brush your teeth at least twice a day. Brushing your teeth helps you get rid of any food that's around your teeth. It also washes away any sugar and other things that can hurt your teeth. Even if you've been looking after your teeth, you should go to the dentist regularly for a checkup. The dentist will look in your mouth and at your teeth to see if there are any problems, so he can help you fix them. Having lots of sugar isn't good for teeth as it can hurt them. Some food have lots of sugar in them, so we shouldn't eat them too much. Some drinks have lots of sugar in them too, even the fruit juices. It doesn't mean that we can't eat or drink them at all, but we shouldn't eat them all the time. So we should avoid food and drinks that have lots of sugar, and there are some food that help our teeth to make them stronger. The best drink for teeth is water. Milk is also good as it helps to make teeth stronger. Let's review what we have learned today. There are different types of teeth which have different functions because of their shape and size. Incisors help to cut the food. Canines help to tear and grip the food. Premolars hold and crush the food, and molars help to chew and grind the food completely. Then we discussed about healthy eating. We should eat and drink food which are good for our health. We've discussed in earlier lessons that eating unhealthy food in little amount is not bad, but we shouldn't take them regularly. Make a habit of brushing your teeth at least twice a day. Gargle after each meal can also benefit in removing big pieces of food from our mouth. Last but not the least, we should visit the dentist at least once a year. A little problem can grow into bigger problem if not caught at early stage. So these were a few things related to healthy habits. I hope you're going to implement all these and you're going to take care of your body and your mouth. See you inshallah in the next lesson with some more topics. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.